I got something real good for you here today. It's called Create-Ringtone. You can basically take any digital audio file, including MP3, WAV, WMAs, or OGG files. Send those files directly to your mobile phone. You can create ringtones, you can create wallpapers. Check it out. It's got a neat little application here. For $19.95, you can stop getting taken advantage of by the big telephone communication companies. Send me an email, eric@createringtone.com, or go to www.myspace.com/mylifebox, or check me out on Ching Chang Chong on YouTube. Ching Chang Chong. That's QINGCHANGCHONG. Ching Chang Chong. Thank you.